Welcome to our label factory. Today, we will show you our production process. We closely interact with our clients to ensure each batch of labels meets their needs and standards. Our slitting machine operates efficiently, ensuring precise cutting of each label. Together with our client, we review and test the freshly produced labels to ensure top quality. The client performs a waterproof test on our labels, verifying their performance in various conditions. We also introduce the advantages of our palletizing system, ensuring convenient and safe transportation and storage. Next, we will visit our thermal paper factory. These are our large rolls of base paper, of superior quality, essential for producing high-quality thermal paper. Here is our slitting site, where every step is carefully controlled. We also introduce our Thermal Star product, known for its excellent performance. These are our printed large rolls of base paper, ready for slitting, perfected in every detail. The client personally inspects our finished products, ensuring each one meets high standards. This is our base paper printing machine, where advanced equipment ensures efficient production. Finally, we visit our finished goods warehouse, where comprehensive storage management ensures product safety. This is our extensive inventory, ready to meet the diverse needs of our customers.